the Asko Aero 12 issue. Powered on, according to tech line, powered on. Then wait to boot up. Then go left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Did it go? Yep. Failure readout. Then go to number water inlet type. Change it to time. This one is already on time. Change from time to pulse. Save it. Then go to number 8. Just auto reset. Enter. Should say put it on number 2. Enter. And press start. Then the machine will calibrate itself. Then after that, run the machine with the quick cycle for 10 minutes. Once that the programming of the board is done, you can come to one of the settings here and reduce the time. You see there's a time setting, that one. Set it to 15 minutes. Time settings. Oh, press the clock. Press this guy here. And keep pressing until it says 15. 15 minutes will be a quick diagnostic cycle. That's it.